Hello students, in our previous video we have learned about force and type of force. So basically we all know about there are two type of force. First contact force and second one is non-contact force. So what happened in contact force? In contact force, contact must required to apply a force between two objects. So what happened in non-contact force? So today we are going to learn about non-contact force. So basically in non-contact force, contact do not required between two objects. So this is basic difference between contact and non-contact force. In contact force, contact must required, and in non-contact force, contact do not required between the object. So there are four type of non-contact force. First, gravitational force. Second, electrostatic force. Third, magnetic force. And fourth one is nuclear force. So first, gravitational force. So we all know about gravitational force or gravity. So gravitational force has tendency to pull any object which has mass towards the earth's surface. So let me take one example to understand gravitational force. An apple falling down from the tree is one of the best example of non-contact force. So our second type is electrostatic force. So electrostatic force is attraction and repulsion force between the particle is caused due to electrical charges. Main electrostatic force is generally attraction force or repulsion force between two objects. Now, let me take one example to understand what is electrostatic force. So, we will take two balloons. Now, one balloon get attracted to another when we rub one balloon with our hair. Now, why one balloon attracted to another? Because when we rubbed one balloon with our hair, at that time balloon get charged particle and another balloon remain uncharged. And we all know about the opposite charge are attracted to each other. Because of this, balloon will attracted to another balloon. So this is the another example of non-contact force in which contact do not required between the two objects. The third type is magnetic force. In our childhood, we all played with magnet. So we all know very well about magnet. So what will happen when we bring magnet and some iron pins are very close to each other? At that time, magnet will attract that iron pins. So this is another example of non-contact force. So our fourth and last topic is nuclear forces. So basically nuclear force are the attraction force between the two particles in nucleus. It can be two proton, it can be two neutron and proton neutron also. So attraction between that two particles without any contact between them is a best example of non-contact force. Now we will see some day-to-day life example of non-contact forces. So first, falling of raindrop on earth is example of non-contact forces. Second, the charging of the hair and attraction of paper beads toward it is also example of non-contact forces. Now third, when two magnets are placed close to each other is also a non-contact force example. So fourth example is the free fall of ball towards the earth is due to gravity. So it's also an example of non-contact force. And our last one is leaves falling from a tree. So it's also example of non-contact force. So hope you all learn about contact and non-contact forces. In our next video, we will learn about Newton's first law of motion.